Guys, today we have an interesting video. In this video, we have three persons, one delivery boy and two girls. They discuss in English in interesting way. So just have an interest in this video and be interested to watch this video. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video right now.
Hello, is there somebody?
Who is there, Sonia? Who is calling outside? Just have a look.
Hello, there somebody? Somebody is there?
Yes, who is there?
It's me, a delivery boy. There is parcel for you, ma'am. Please get it.
Yes, Rima, I am there. Chill out. It is your delivery boy.
It's your parcel, ma'am. Sign here.
Stop, Sonia. I am coming. Let me check it first. It is from Mumbai. Yeah, I have got it. Thank you, brother.
You most welcome, ma'am. If you have any problem, please do call me. I will be at your service again.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.